Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at my neighbor's house and we're here to see a particular scooter, the Ather 450. This has been customized. There's a different paint job to it and I'm just going to take it for a ride to see how it feels. So this is the Ather 450. I'm here in a ground and there are some spectators watching me film this. So the Ather has disc brakes both front and back. So the drivetrain on this bike is very interesting. It's an electric bike, but it's not chain driven. It is belt driven. So it reduces the noise and giving you the power transferred to the wheels. This particular bike has been custom painted by my neighbor. So this color is not common. As you can see, even the helmet is made to match with the bike. This bike is quite comfortable. There were two of us on the bike just now and it was very comfortable. The shock absorbers were working quite well. The acceleration on the other hand is really scary. It is very fast. It really picks up very fast. Electric, the advantage is high torque and it shows on this. I'll accelerate fully. On the front we have LED lights doing the work and it's quite good. It has daylight running lights and also it's quite bright at night too. My friend bought this bike for about 1,20,000 and he spent an additional 15,000-20,000 rupees to customize it as per his needs, or rather as per what he liked. So this is the bike which is there. Currently I think the same bike is available at a good 1,50,000-1,60,000 rupees. Still worth it considering the cost of actually riding this around town is very minimal. So there are three ride modes on this. There's economy, regular and sport. Right now it's in sport mode. It gives you a lot more power, but your mileage does reduce a little bit. It's really peppy and you really enjoy the power in this, and it doesn't hesitate or anything. You just twist your throttle and you're gone. And to help you back out of those tight parking spots comes the reverse gear too. The reverse now. Real life mileage figures on this is 50, 60 and 70 kilometers in sport, regular and economy modes respectively. This is the charging station for the Ather. They have their own station and you literally have to just plug this in to the bike.
And share the screen, it shows. And when you turn it off, it shows the range.
So the end of another day and a very different vlog. So you guys please do let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this. Would you like more content like this or would you like something else? It'll be interesting to know what you guys would like to see, so I can try and make something on that. I will continue doing vlogs on cycles, but what more would you like to see? So let me know in the comments below, and until next time, safe ride everyone.